Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to archive project on Asana. So simply you can see this is the open project. Now after this we will just click on these three dots. So you can see new menu is open. Just click on archive project. You can see this project has been archived. So in the same way we are going another project to archived. So finally you can see this is also archived. Now this is also archived. So finally we have archived also this project. So you can see these all projects are finally archived. You can click here. Now these are the deleted options. Now if you want to delete archive, you can also unarchived or delete this project. So in this way you can simply archive project on Asana.